Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss a question from KSET 2024. The question is about the finding the Jacobian. So what is the question? Let us see. Question: pick out those functions of f from R4 to R3 for which the derivative given by the Jacobian JF will be the matrix 2x1 x2 x1 square 0 0 x2 x3 x1 x3 x1 x2 0 2x1 2x2 x4 square 2x3 x4. So they have given here into x2 square. This is a small mistake here. So in the question this is not needed. Option 1, f of x1 x2 x3 x4 equal to x2 square x1 square comma x1 x2 x3 comma x1 square plus x3 x4 square. Option 2, f of x1 x2 x3 x4 equal to x1 square x2 comma x1 x2 x3 comma x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 x4 square. Option 3, f of x1 x2 x3 x4 equal to x1 cube x2 comma x1 x2 x3 comma 2 x3 square x4. Option 4, f of x1 x2 x3 x4 equal to x1 x2 square comma 2x1 x2 x3 comma x3 x4 square. So how we can solve the question? Let us see. So the solution. So what will be the Jacobian? Let us see. Given a set y equal to f of x of n equations in n variables x1 to xn, written explicitly as y equal to f1 of x, f2 of x, and so on fn of x, or more explicitly these y functions can be written as y1 is equal to f1 x1 comma x2 and so on xn, and so on yn is equal to fn of x1 x2 and so on xn. The Jacobian matrix, sometimes simply called the Jacobian, is defined by J of x1 x2 and so on xn is equal to the matrix partial derivative of y1 with respect to x1, partial derivative of y1 with respect to x2, and so on partial derivative of y1 with respect to xn. So similarly here partial derivative of yn with respect to x1 and so on partial derivative of yn with respect to xn. So this is an n cross n matrix. So now let us go to the question. Here the function is given from R4 to R3. So the Jacobian order of the Jacobian matrix will be 3 by 4. So JF is given by the formula here partial derivative of the function f1 with respect to x1, partial derivative of f1 with respect to x2, partial derivative of f1 with respect to x3, f1 partial derivative of f1 with respect to x4. So partial derivative of f2 with respect to x1, partial derivative of f2 with respect to x2, partial derivative of f2 with respect to x3, partial derivative of f2 with respect to x4, partial derivative of f3 with respect to x1, partial derivative of f3 with respect to x2, derivative of f3 with respect to x3, partial derivative of f3 with respect to x4. So this is the Jacobian matrix. So now we will find the one by one. So here for the first function, function is given f of x1 x2 x3 x4 is equal to x2 square x1 square comma x1, x2, x3, x1 square plus x3, x4 square. So what will be the Jacobian? Here the Jacobian will be JF is equal to, this is F1, this is F2, this is F3. So the derivative of F1 with respect to x1, you have to treat x2 as constant. So you will get 2x1 x2 square. Here with respect to x2, so you will get x2 2x1 square x2. Next here there are no terms x3 x4, so the derivative of f1, partial derivative of f1 with respect to x3 x4 are 0. Next the f2 is x1 x2 x3, so partial derivative of f2 with respect to x1 will be x2 x3, derivative of f2 with respect to x2 will be x1 x3, and the partial derivative of f2 with respect to x3 will be x1 x2, and with respect to x4 is 0. And this is the f3, partial derivative of f3 with respect to x1 2x1, derivative of f3 with respect to x2 is 0, and with respect to x3 is x4 square, with respect to x4 is 2x3 x4 partial derivative. So while finding the partial derivative, you have to treat the other variables as constant. If you are finding with respect to x1, then you have to treat x2, x3, x4 as the constant. Okay, so second function they have given f of x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to x1 square x2, comma x1, x2, x3, x1 square plus x2 square plus x3, x4 square. So for this Jacobian, JF will be derivative of f1 with respect to x1, 2x1 x2, derivative of f1 with respect to x2, x1 square. Here no terms of x3, x4, so these are 0. Next, derivative of f2 with respect to x1, x2, x3 with respect to x2, x1, x3 with respect to x3, x1, x2. Here x4 term is not there, so partial derivative with respect to x4 will be 0. Next f3 is this, so partial derivative of f3 with respect to x1 is 2x1, with respect to x2 is 2x2, with respect to x3 is x4 square, with respect to x4 is 2x3 x4. Okay, so in the question they have given 2x1 x2 x1 square, so this is the answer. So second one is the answer, option 2. Option 2 is correct. So since only one answer is correct, no need of checking the other. Thank you. Please share and subscribe the channel.